Hey guys, hi everyone. Akash Sharma here from Ravan 2.0 Plus, new Ravan screener indicator. Today we'll discuss regarding the new screener which we have launched. I hope everyone is aware of default that Ravan indicator, but I am come up with the new features of Ravan as well as this screener. We'll discuss first this whole screener, how exactly it works and how to use, how to apply, how to customize this basic screener. After that, we'll discuss the new features we added in the round indicator and all. Right. First, let me discuss this regarding the screener. Once you go to the indicator section, right, you have to go to the settings part for the customization of this screener. You have to go to this input section and you will find here show table, that is for this screener table, and these are the customization features for specific. You can add crypto, stocks, forex, commodity, everything and whatever you want over here, index as well. Even for there are some option charts available in this trading view, so you can select that call and put regarding to your bank nifty and nifties. Okay, expiry. And you can see here, once you, if it's default added bank nifty and all, if you want to add crude instead of this bank nifty, you have to go this pencil option and you have to write crude oil features, so data will be updated and it will be coming on the chart accordingly. Okay, then this whole chart you have to update accordingly, based on your stock selection, based on your whatever watch list you have. And once you edit this all the eight stocks, right, this is the unique feature you will don't find in any trading view, right. In this specific screener will help you to get alerts for all the specific asset you mentioned over here on free trading view account, guys. You will not find any indicator that gives alert for all the indicators which are mentioned over here. And the strategy alerts will be strategy alerts, right. So I hope like you are getting understood. You have to, what you have to do, just first modify all the asset, and once you done with that, if you are a mobile user, this is one time only, right. Once if you are a mobile user, you can just hide this show table. It will automatically hidden from the chart, right. After updating, the mostly the screener part will not be usable mostly in mobile. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए, if you don't want, you can hide that feature. And if you are on system, if it's you have big screen, you can just keep it active and it will show you on the chart, right. So this is the screener. You can get multiple alerts, set multiple alerts. I've already set alerts. Two active alerts are already there based on this Ravan indicator. You can see this Ravan and this also Ravan. I'll show you how to set alerts as well. And now let's talk about the features the Ravan has. VWAP, auto trade line, CPR. These are the most trending, tools used for stock analysis and analysis tools, I can say, right. That will help you for better confirmation on the same chart, same with the same indicator only, right. And you can see here downside that previous to high low, and here triple emas we have mentioned. You can totally customize. Before it was not customizable, now you can customize the color, now you can customize the values even, right. You can see here Ravan dashboard, it's 2.0 and it was based on 21 emi told you earlier and was not customizable. Now we have add on that customization. Now you can edit from your end. If you are a swing trader, you can go with this edit like 50 EMA or 100 EMA as per your need, right. And the chart will be automatically get updated in the live market, right, as per your requirement. Okay, so this is the feature which we have added. And rest new thing we have added is this one, right. This is show TPSL. Once you check mark on this on mobile, you will remove this. If you do not want this line, you can check mark on this, the lines will be get removed, all these entry target stop loss points will be get removed, right. You can see here it's removed and chart is clear now, right. So those who want, you can keep that as well. Now let's discuss regarding this screener sorting part, right. Default it's normal, right. If you want to work through ADX condition which I mentioned in my ADX video, right. that if you want to go for a buy signal, always look for green line should be above 20, and yellow line should be upward facing, and red line should be below 20. Then and then only you have to enter for a buy signal. Similar, all the condition will be once you click on this ADX, the all the signals which you are getting will get updated and sorted with ADX conditions, right? You can see here ADX has applied, but why the signals has removed. You can see even this red line is also about 20, that indicates some sideways. After you get a breakout over here, then the market got in the trending. That's the reason the signals got removed. Here also you can see once the signal has added, the green line was above this 20, allow 1 year 20, so that's the reason it got removed. But you can see, go back and see here you got a buy signal with confirmation. RSI also given you the confirmation, right? Here you got a sell signal. Here RSI and ADX both have the confirmation. So by selecting this ADX, you will get shorted trades using ADX filter, right? It depends on you. You have to active, not active. If you want to use ADX and RSI both, once you select on this RSI filter, the RSI filter will be applied on the chart, and accordingly your signals will be plotted after sorting the trades. RSI filter what I have used is, you can see here in settings, it's 55 and 45 zone, that indicates a sideways. 60/40 also you can edit, it's fully customizable, right? So here it's below, you can see the gray area, that is 60/40, but we can adjust it to 55 and 45 as well. From this settings part you can adjust from here 60/40 to, you can update in style as well, you can update. Okay, so once you in this screener, what we have did for this RSI sorting, if you get any signal in between this gray zone, you will not get any signals, as that indicate the sideways market, right? So that signals will be omitted. Okay, and this is the RSI condition I have worked on. And the another condition is, if you get any signal above this 55 zone, this line is passed, you will get a buy signal only, and below this 40 you will get only sell signal, no buy signals will be there, right? You can see here you got a sell signal, right? It's 55, it's almost 45 zone, 45 something, right? We have keep the range of 55 and 45, right? So it's already a 43, 42 zone, so this sell signal has come. You can see this RSI, this buy candle confirmation also, it is in between the 55 plus zone. So this also comes, this also comes, this means you will get a short tail signals. You hear the signals didn't match in between this zone, so the signal didn't match. So here the signal is omitted, this is a signal, confirm signal. You can say this is also confirm signal, right? So you can, it depends on you what sorting you want, RSI, ADX. If you want both, you can select on both. If you want normal, you can go with normal. I generally prefer normal and lines confirmation. So if you want to go with this shorting, you can go with that as well. And after setting each and everything, only after that set the alert, right? After all the changes you made over here, filters, after you make these all the changes, go with this default settings, save as default. After that only you have to create the alert, right? As you will get too much confusion, right? So if you get any confusion, you can feel free to talk to me anytime, right? You can you'll find my number in here in the description, or you mostly have my number, right? I will try to edit this video and add my number here somewhere, so you can find my number, right? So accordingly you can, now let's go with the alerts part. For alerts, you don't have to go to the alert and select the indicator. You have to go this indicator which you have applied on the chart, click on these three dots which you see. Once you click on three dot, you will see the first option, alert, add alert on Ravan screener. You have to do nothing. After selecting, only you have to go to this step and just create. Once you create, the alert will be created, and the whole code is already set for crude oil, for Nifty, SBIN. You can see all these stocks has already mentioned over here, and just you have to click on create. Once you click on create, your alert will be active, right? And in market hours, whenever you get any buy or sell signal in crude, Nifty, SBI, SCL Tech, you will get an alert, on time alert, strategy alert. Strategy alert indicates once you get a sell signal, the next candle opening you will get a confirmation alert via mobile. Once you are in mobile, you get an alert in mobile. Once you are in computer, you'll get alert in computer. How to read these alerts? Let me take one example if I can manage. Just a second, we hold on. Hmm, I hope share this tab instead. Okay. So by these you will get an alert on mobile, right? You can see the actually the chart was BTC when I set the alert, but you do not have to uh, read this. You have to read the next line. Sell go triggered for forex. Sell go triggered for Binance XRP USDT. Buy go triggered for USD CHF. So this was the just example. You can means I already explained you. If you want to read the how to read, just this is just the example. Similar alert you will get on the system, but actually there is no alert as I have deleted before, so you can't see on the system, so sorry for that. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. How to read the alert, how to set the customization, each and everything. I'll come up with each and every video how to use this indicator with CPR, VWAP, what strategy to follow for sideways market, how to select. Each and every video will coming up with few days of time, right? So if you're new to this channel, I request you to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I believe in uh, expanding my bandwidth. Why? Because I work on the suggestion basis. The more suggestion I get, more I can improve this indicator basis on suggestion, right? And the charge which I keep, that is very nominal, or it's I can say one stop loss of charge. And I'm charging for my efforts, my hard work of time which I spend for making this screener and this indicator modifications and each and everything, right? So if you want to purchase this indicator, you will find the payment link in the description, and you can pay it accordingly. Else you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the payment link and you can pay it accordingly. Okay, thank you, thanks for your time, guys. I hope everything is clear and understood how to set alerts and everything, right? And also the new features which I've added. You even you can use these feature as well. You can see your RSI, DA plus DMNS and ADX. If you get all this value here, you can remove this below indicator. If you don't want to work on that, you can use any supporting indicator if you want instead of this indicator. Depends, all depends on your requirement. It's fully customizable. My whole indicator will work on free trading view account, all markets, all segments, just to match the condition. If condition is matched, you can go ahead with that trade. Okay, so everything is clear and understood now. I am just shutting off my recording, and I hope if you have still confusion, you can call me anytime. I'm here to help you and guide you anytime. Thank you, guys.